Imagine this. Imagine ninyo nasa labas kayo, and then you approach a random stranger, ask them to think of a person na matagal na nilang hindi nakita. And then later on, nahulaan nyo exactly who that person is.
Huh?
I'm Manuel Espiritu, I'm a mentalist. I specialize in a unique form of magic that focuses on the mind. So basically what I do involves reading people and sometimes influencing them. Okay? So, dito sa team ng event nyo tonight, ako yung katumbas na mentalist and sa horseman, kasi naman yung mga nakapanood. Okay? So, for this next moment, I need a brave volunteer.
Volunteer daw, Mapa.
Ayun, may volunteer ka. Ito muna, si Sir. Sir, tayo ka lang muna. Ang bilis niya, no? No? Balikan ko to. Hi, Sir. Hello, nice to see you. Anong name mo? Rambo. Hi, Rambo. Palapakan natin sa Rambo. Let's go. Dito tayo. Rambo, simple lang. I'd like you to think of a few random people in your life. Okay. Rambo, feel free to change your mind as many times as you like. Change to a few family members, friends, relatives. Okay? Okay, change. Okay. And now, Rambo, I want you to focus on one person na gusto mong concentrate. Okay. So right now, Rambo, meron siyang iniisip na tao, correct? Okay. Sige. Kunin ko lang yung part ko dito. Okay. Rambo, I want you to imagine kung sino man yung tao ang iniisip mo, nandito siya ngayon. At ipapakilala mo siya sa akin. And then in your mind, or sasabihin mo ganito, Rambo, Eman, I want you to meet kung sino man yung tao na to, and then say the name in your mind, okay? Rambo, this is just to make sure na hindi ka matutulas or else mapadali yung trabaho ko. Okay. Rambo, may naisip ka ng name na impossible for me to know, correct? Okay, para alam nilang lahat. Rambo, sige, pwede mong bagitin sa mic. May mic tayo dito, eh. Okay. Thank you so much, Ellie. Okay. Anong pakiramdam mo yan? Ako rin kilala ko eh. Sige, Rambo, to the mic. Eman, I want you to meet and then say the name in your mind. Okay, sige, go.
Eman, I want you to meet.
Okay. One more.
Eman, I want you to meet.
Okay. Sige, thank you. Sige, may na-pick up akong sound from Rambo. Sulat ko dito kung ano yung mga na-pick up ko. Rambo, may gusto lang ako i-consider. Can you think of the first letter ng name na yun?
Successful kasi hindi.
I'm getting sound from me, parang G or J. Jimmy, Rambo, one more time, can you just say the name in your mind? Don't
Ma'am.
Okay na? Okay, one more? Sige. May susulat ako dito, I know, makikita niyo lahat, okay? Ito yung napipick up ko from Rambo.
May tsura pa ito sa club.
Wala, ang galing mo.
Okay. Papakita ko muna sa inyo. Ito yung nakuha ko from Rambo. Okay. Sige, Rambo to the mic. Nice and loud so everyone can hear you. Tell us the name you were thinking of.
Hi.
Uy!
Hi.
Galing!
Yun yun.
Thank you so much. Again, tulakpan natin sa Rambo. Paano mo nagawa yun? Thank you so much. Salamat.